for another pump up. Why do I believe that there will be another momentum? Why am I still bullish at gold? It's because of the fundamentals, and the fundamentals are pointing strong in gold's direction because of, like I always mention, countries accumulating gold in big manners right now, central banks accumulating gold in big manners, even private people, big whales accumulating gold. Why is that? It's because of the increasing loss of trust in the US dollar, but not only the US dollar, also the euro. So increasing loss of trust in fiat currency in general. And what happens then is that we look for alternatives. For 5,000 years, gold has been like the best option when it comes to trading. And then we got, of course, other options also, like Bitcoin, for example. But I think Bitcoin is going to crash quite hard first before it gets that last pump. But we don't know. We will see. I've been saying it for a while now. It might turn out not to be true because of these macro events in the world going on, and creating an incentive for